2020 में इंडिया में 11 स्टार्टअप्स बने यूनिकॉर्न। अप्रैल 5th टू अप्रैल 8th 2021 यानी सिर्फ 4 दिनों में 6 स्टार्टअप्स बने यूनिकॉर्न। जैन से लेके जून 2021 के बीच 16 स्टार्टअप्स बने यूनिकॉर्न। Hello everyone, my name is Kaleem and I welcome you back to another video. In today's video, we will be looking to answer another question. हमारा आज का सवाल है, How does a startup become a unicorn? कैसे एक स्टार्टअप एक यूनिकॉर्न बनता है? A startup is a privately owned company which is still in its initial growth phase, and a unicorn is a privately owned company which has achieved a valuation of at least $1 billion US. आज की तारीख में भारत में लगभग 54 ऐसी कंपनीज है जिनकी वैल्यूएशन कम से कम 1 बिलियन यानी कि 100 करोड़ US है। आज हम देखेंगे 3 ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स जो 2021 में यूनिकॉर्न बने। वी विल बी लुकिंग एट हाउ दीज स्टार्टअप्स बिकेम यूनिकॉर्न एंड व्हाट वी एज बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कैन लर्न फ्रॉम। हमारा आज का पहला यूनिकॉर्न है क्रेड। क्रेड इज अ मेंबर्स ओनली credit card bill payment platform that rewards its members for clearing their credit card bills on time. The members can use these rewards to redeem exclusive gifts and products from some of the top luxury brands. Instead of going after the 500 million plus smartphone users in the country or the entire 1 billion plus population, Cred went after a very specific segment of the audience, and that was the premium credit card holders. As of April 2021, Cred had on its platform 35% of the 55 million premium credit card holders of India, and it was processing 22% of all credit card payments in the country on a monthly basis. Cred का member बनने के लिए आपका credit score कम से कम 750 होना चाहिए, and in 2 years, Cred had on its platform more than 6 million users with a median credit score of 830. In order to keep its highly valuable customer base engaged, Cred keeps offering interesting products. Cred पे क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल पेमेंट के अलावा आप शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हैं, अपना रेंट भी पे कर सकते हैं। ई-कॉमर्स एंड रेंट पेमेंट आर टू एक्सट्रीमली वैल्यूएबल प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर Cred's customer base. And imagine being awarded for doing all of these things. That is, being rewarded every time you pay your bills, being rewarded every time you shop online, being rewarded every time you pay your rent. Cricket and Bollywood are two such things which Indians are crazy about, and Cred used both of these perfectly. It heavily advertised during the 2020 IPL season, and it got on board veterans such as Madhuri Dixit, Rahul Dravid, Bappi Lahiri, Govinda, Anil Kapoor, Javagal Srinath, Venkatesh Prasad. These people came on board to advertise for Cred. The people loved it, there was a constant buzz around the brand, and this only alerted the investors. Startup world में आपने ecosystem word कई बार सुना होगा। Cred ने भी कुछ ऐसा ही किया। Cred used credit card bill payment as a central hook to attract its members. Then it created an ecosystem around it by offering them new products every time. Cred पे आप credit card bill payment के अलावा shopping कर सकते हैं, rent pay कर सकते हैं, पैसे borrow कर सकते हैं, and there are continuous new products being offered. This has just created an ecosystem which solves all your payment issues at a click of a button. हमारा आज का दूसरा यूनिकॉर्न है Urban Company. Urban Company is a hyper local on demand home service provider. आपको घर बैठे हेयर कट कराना है, you call Urban Company. आपको घर में सफाई करानी है, you call Urban Company. आपके वॉशरूम में नल टूट गया है, you call Urban Company. Urban Company provides you with trained service professionals at the click of a button. Now we will look at 3 things which propelled Urban Company to become a unicorn. Point number 1 is a strong supply ecosystem. For Urban Company, the supply comes from its partner service providers. Urban Company को 2 साल लग गए to come up with a 5-level service delivery experience model. The whole purpose of this model is to make the whole service delivery experience straightforward for its partners as well as its customers. Today, Urban Company is associated with 32,000 plus service providers in 37 Indian cities and 5 countries globally. Last year during the lockdown, जब कई सारे businesses रुक गए थे, Urban Company aggressively spent its time in not only hiring new service providers but also retaining its existing staff. Urban Company hired many AC technicians, beauticians, and barbers, and these service providers were trained in the strictest safety rules. They were equipped with PPEs and they were provided with necessary support. This foresightedness and planning paid off. as just after the lockdown, there was a spike in demand for on-demand home services, and Urban Company was ready to take advantage of it. The pandemic enabled Urban Company to expand its user base from just the new age urban crowd to also include 65-year-old ex-government employees. The older generations also started visiting the platform when their children used Urban Company to book services from them sitting in another city. Category wise, there was a 2x growth in painting category and there was a 3x growth in the massages category. These two categories were not that popular before the lockdown. हमारा आज का तीसरा यूनिकॉर्न है Gupshup.com. It is very likely कि अगर आप बिजनेस वर्ल्ड से नहीं है, आपने इस कंपनी का नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा. Simply because this is a B2B company which caters only to business enterprise. As customers, आपने notice किया होगा, we get messages every time we book anything online. We book tickets, we shop, we get OTPs, we get a message every time an amount gets debited or credited from our account. All of this is facilitated by Gupshup.com. Gupshup.com enables the companies to interact and engage with its customers in real time. So what are the things that propelled Gupshup.com to become a unicorn? Gupshup started off as a B2C messaging platform. People could be parts of groups and they could send messages to everyone in that group via SMS using Gupshup.com. This was a very good concept. Gupshup saw rapid growth but also heavy losses for 4 straight years. This caused them to pivot into being a B2B platform. This leap of faith enabled Gupshup to secure its first round of funding in 2011. Subsequently, Gupshup went on to raise $150 million in funding, and ultimately it ended up being a unicorn this year in 2020. अपनी latest round of funding से पहले, the last time Gupshup got funded was in 2011. That's right, 10 साल पहले. In an ecosystem where startups are always in a hurry to grow and to get funded, the Gupshup team chose to grow their business with patience. Having knowledge of the fact that the B2B messaging industry, which was valued at $50 billion is here to stay and it has great growth potential, only enabled the Gupshup team to be at it and not give up so easily. Not all startups that become unicorn are profitable. In fact, very few are. Gupshup is one such profitable unicorn. Their latest investors, Tiger Global Management, have pointed out that apart from its market leadership, what actually attracted them towards Gupshup.com was its unique combination of scale, growth and profitability. They said that in today's market, Gupshup is a winner because of its sustainable business model, its differentiated product and because of its experienced team which has a proven track record. सिर्फ इन 3 यूनिकॉर्न्स से हमें इतनी सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली. Some things were in their control, some things were not. Just imagine the number of things we could learn if we studied all the unicorns only in India. Cred became a unicorn in 2.5 years. Urban Company became a unicorn in 7 years. Gupshup.com became a unicorn after 15 years. Every unicorn has its own story. All of them grow at their own pace with their own methods. But all unicorns have something or the other to teach all of us. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. What are your favorite startups? What are your favorite unicorns? Do you all have such success stories? Please share with me in the comment section below. Please share this video with anyone whom you feel might find it useful or helpful. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press that bell icon. And अगर आपके मन में भी ऐसे और सवाल कभी कभार उठते हो, so please share it with me. I will try to answer as many questions as I can. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video.